Title: How to Make Homemade Soup. A tutorial for beginners introduction. Are you a beginner in the culinary world? Eager to learn the art of making homemade soup? Look no further. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can create a delicious and comforting bowl of soup right in your own kitchen. Step 1. Choose your ingredients. Begin by selecting the key ingredients for your soup. Vegetables such as onions, carrots, and celery form the base of many soups. You can also add meat or poultry, such as chicken or beef if desired. Don't forget herbs and spices to enhance the flavors. Step 2. Prepare the ingredients. After gathering your chosen ingredients, it's time to prepare them. Chop the vegetables into bite-sized pieces and cut the meat into small cubes. This will allow them to cook evenly and blend flavors harmoniously. Step 3. Sauté the vegetables. Heat a pot on the stove and add a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped vegetables and sauté them until they soften and begin to release their fragrance. This process helps to intensify the flavors in your soup. Step 4. Add the meat. Optional. If you're adding meat to your soup, now is the time to do so. Cook the meat alongside the vegetables until it is no longer pink. This adds a heartiness and depth to your soup. Step 5. Add the liquid and seasonings. Pour in enough water, broth, or stock to cover the ingredients in the pot. This will serve as the base of your soup. Add salt, pepper, herbs, and spices according to your taste preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust the seasonings as you go. Step 6. Simmer and let it melt. Bring your soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Allow the flavors to meld together by letting the soup simmer for at least 30 minutes. This slow cooking process helps to bring out the rich flavors of all the ingredients. Step 7. Taste and adjust before serving. Taste a spoonful of your homemade soup. If it needs more seasoning, now is the perfect time to add a pinch of salt, pepper, or any other desired spices. Remember, cooking is an art, and your taste buds are the ultimate judge. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Ladle your homemade soup into bowls and garnish with fresh herbs if desired. Pair it with some crusty bread or a light salad to complete your meal. Sit back, relax, and savor the satisfaction of creating a warm and nourishing bowl of homemade soup. Conclusion: with this step-by-step tutorial, beginners can confidently embark on their homemade soup-making journey. Embrace the process. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors, and soon you'll be impressing friends and family with your delicious creations. Happy cooking!